Hello, Eco370. So welcome to class. My name is Tomas. You can call me Doc. Please take a look at my self-intro video for a little bit more info on me. So this is economics. Now you're probably thinking to yourselves, but Doc, I'm an environmental scientist. Why do I need to know economics? Well, because it's vital. The whole world, the lens through which the world functions, a modern society functions, is economics. Every decision that we make as a society, for better or worse, runs through an economic lens. Okay? So policies, laws, regulations, those all have not only like a societal benefit lens or a scientific lens, but they all have economic lenses. Okay? And so that's why it's important for you to know these items, these concepts. Okay? So this class, we're going to be, each week we'll have a different topic, like wildlife, energy, soil and water. All right? And we're going to be looking at all of those through the economic lens. Now, in other classes, you'll be focusing specifically, they'll be like, you'll have a conservation class if you haven't had it already. That'll be your wildlife lens, so on. But here, you're going to be overlaying that economics lens. Now, this is an upper division class. I want you to start taking information from your previous classes that you've had and layering it in through here, okay? Bring in some of that information that you have, okay? So, how does this class function? Well, basically, really simply, every week you're going to have material. There's no book. It's essentially a set of readings that we've curated for you, and then there's going to be a quiz on those. There is zero stress on this quiz, please. All right, multiple attempts at it, like unlimited, infinite attempts. Just keep doing it. Make sure that you're reading it and viewing it, and trust me, the answers are there. Okay. The same goes for the technical text quizzes. These are basically a way for you to, a set of guides for you to better understand technical texts. Okay, as environmental scientists and as professionals, regardless of your degree, you're going to have to learn to use multiple sources, and some of those sources are convoluted and complicated, a little bit not so user-friendly at first grasp. So these are sort of guides to help you understand that. And again, multiple attempts on those quizzes. Just watch the material. Trust me, the answers are there. You actually may recognize some of the people in those videos. Okay? So then you're going to have some summative assessments. Now, policies in this class. I've given you my textable number. Please keep me informed of things. I know that the world is a really crazy place right now, okay? So, and trust me, I know it, all right? So just keep me informed. If something's going on with your life, just say, hey Doc, I'm having trouble here, and I will do what I can to help, okay? So don't just ghost this class, please. It doesn't do you any good, it doesn't do me any good. All right, so next, the best way, so again, going back to that, you've got my textable number, and then also just use the little messages up top. Okay, same goes for questions. That's why I give you these things. Ask questions, ask plenty of questions. The only stupid question is the one that you didn't ask. Okay, so then, big policy. I've put this into your syllabus. There are no quotations allowed. There is a no quotation policy in effect. So let me repeat that. No quotations in any of your work. You must paraphrase and cite everything, okay? So by citations, I am not a stickler for APA format, but you need to be practicing in-text citations. Everything that you do must have an in-text citation, as well as your references at the bottom. Use whatever format you want on that. Make sure that in your references you have the full URL, saying I went to Britannica.com, I went to Wikipedia.com, I went to Google.com. Those are not references. That's called just being, well, that's not even being creative anymore. Those are not references and they will not count. Okay, full stop. Now, paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is reading some information or viewing some content, thinking about it, putting it in your head, thinking about it, and then telling the audience, me, that information in your own words. Okay, that's paraphrasing. And then you're going to put a citation at the end. So you must be practicing that. Okay, there's multiple reasons for this. One is if you ever get called for a hearing or a deposition, you're not going to have the time or the ability to say, after they ask you, so can you tell me about X? You're not going to have the time to go, hold on, let me get you a quote of X. You're going to be expected to remember these things and to express them in your own verbiage. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. I again appreciate having you in class. Thank you for being here. All right, cheers. Stay safe, everybody.